heart if that's what you ask. Give you all I am. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human.
4 years ago, I was right in the same position as these young and beautiful ladies are competing for. I still remember how it felt, like in front of the huge crowd, breaking my leg and giving my best foot forward, regardless of the nerves I feel inside, just to win your trust and your support. Tonight, I may not be physically there standing right in front of you, but before the crowning of Mutya ning Sto.Cristo 2018, I would like to give my heartfelt and my profound gratitude to all the people who have been part of my victory. To my family, Mami Edna, Daddy Doy, Ate Lovely, Ate Ria, Shaina and Wendy, thank you for being the bedrock during my life's journey. The Sto.Cristo Barangay Council, headed by our Barangay Captain Terence Pampanga and his Barangay Kagawad, thank you for making us feel and enjoy the momentum of the competition. Kuya Arsang Borja and Kuya Sid Dairit, our pageant's organizer, thank you for the love and the patience you have showed to us. To our pageant's director and choreographer, Kuya Melvin Dong Flores, thank you for developing our personalities. To my makeup artist Rex Nicdao, thank you so much for making me beautiful and stand out that night. To Tita Dan Vergara, my handler, and our precious Rojas, my Q&A mentor, thank you for everything and for all the beautiful things you have installed into my mind. To all my relatives, friends, and supporters, your loudest cheers have helped me to make it through. And above all, to our Almighty God, thank you for the gift of life. Your ever-watchful presence have helped me to win the outstanding title. To the lucky lady who will be crowned tonight, always be a torch that can inspire people and be a positive light as you put a smile on their faces. My reigns end tonight, but I will always be Donna Catrina Sahagon Soriano, your Mutya ning Sto.Cristo 2014, saying dakalpong salamat at masayang kapiestan Barangay Sto.Cristo.
'Cause I'm only